I welcome all of you once again to my class. My name is Jewel and today I am going to take the 5th lesson of Standard 3. I am dealing with ICSE syllabus Cordova publications. Please like, share and please subscribe to my channel if you like to hear my further chapters from this textbook. Now let's go to the lesson Joy in the Jungle. The story is about Munnu, a village boy who loves animals and is sad to see a rhino in pain. So this story is about Munnu. He is a village boy and he loves animals and he is sad to see a rhino in pain. Now read about this boy who plays the pipe for all the birds and animals in the jungle and helps the rhino in pain. So in this lesson you're going to study about this boy Munnu who plays the pipe. Pipe means a musical instrument in shape of a tube played by blowing is called pipe for all the birds and animals in the jungle. So Munnu in this lesson, Munnu the boy is playing a pipe. He plays the pipe for all the birds and animals in the jungle and helps the rhino in pain. Munnu lives in a village near Kaziranga forest. So Munnu lives in a village. It is near Kaziranga forest. Very often he roams around the jungle riding on a buffalo. You can see in the picture. Very often he roams. Roams means walks around an area without any definite aim or direction is called roam. Very often he roams around the jungle. So very often means always Munnu roams around the jungle riding on a buffalo. You can see in the picture. One day he finds a hollow piece of bamboo. Hollow means having a hole. He saw a hollow piece of bamboo. He looks at it. So Munnu looked at it. It seemed strong and sturdy. Sturdy means strong and not easily damaged. So Munnu found the bamboo very strong and it cannot be easily damaged. He picked it up. He took it. What do you think Munnu is going to do with the hollow piece of bamboo? Now we are going to know what Munnu is going to do with the hollow piece of bamboo. Munnu comes back home. Munnu came back home and he hands over the bamboo piece to his father. And he gave that bamboo piece to his father and says, Papa, please make a pipe out of it for me. So Munnu takes that bamboo and give to his father and tells, Papa, please make me a pipe. Pipe means a musical instrument in shape of a tube playing by blowing. You can see in the picture. So Papa, please make me a pipe out of it for me. Father makes a beautiful pipe for him. So it was father who made a beautiful pipe for Munnu. Munnu learns to play the pipe. Now Munnu learns to play the pipe. One day while playing the pipe, he gets so absorbed that he doesn't realize he has entered the jungle. So one day Munnu was playing the pipe and he got so absorbed. Absorbed means he was so much interested in something is called absorbed. He was so much interested in that pipe that he did not realize that he had entered the village. So Munnu was so much absorbed in playing that pipe that he forgot that he had entered the jungle. He plays the pipe to the delight of birds and animals inside the jungle. What did he do? He plays the pipe to delight. Delight means to make the birds and animals happy. It's called delight. He plays the pipe to the delight of the birds and animals inside the jungle. As Munnu plays the pipe, everything in the jungle begins to change. What happened? As Munnu plays the pipe, everything in the jungle begins to change. It gets filled with beautiful flowers. What happened when Munnu plays the pipe? As he was playing the pipe, the jungle gets filled with beautiful flowers. Munnu is very happy. Munnu became very happy. The birds also begin to sing. All the birds in the jungle, they were very happy to hear Munnu playing the pipe. The birds also begin to sing. A troop of monkeys started jumping with joy from one tree to another. You can see, as Munnu was playing that pipe, a troop of monkeys, that means a group of monkeys, they were jumping from one tree to the other. You can see the monkeys jumping from one tree to another tree. Deer start dancing. All the deers, you can see in the picture, the deers were dancing. Munnu sees a herd of elephants. What did Munnu see? A group of elephants. Munnu also saw a group of elephants, a herd of elephants. He continues to play the pipe. So Munnu, as usual, he continued to play with this pipe. Looking at him, the elephants raised their trunks. As soon as the elephants saw Munnu, what did the elephants do? They raised their trunk. You can see in the picture, the elephants raised their trunks and began to trumpet. Trumpet means to make a loud noise. Trumpet means to make a loud noise. He goes near the lake. So Munnu goes near the lake. As soon as he starts playing the pipe, the fish in the lake begins to swim merrily. So what happened as Munnu went close to the lake playing the pipe? The fish in the lake started to swim merrily, happily. Merrily means in a happy and cheerful way. It's called merrily. The fish were very happy to hear Munnu playing the pipe. The tortoise basking in the sun. Basking means enjoying sitting in the heat of the sun. It's called basking. The tortoise basking in the sun jumps into the water. So as soon as Munnu played the food, what did the tortoise do? The tortoise jumped into the water. Munnu spots two tiger cubs behind a bush. What did Munnu see? Munnu saw two tiger cubs. Cubs means the small one of an animal is called cubs, no? The baby animal. So Munnu spots two tiger cubs behind a bush. The small one of a tiger is called cubs. So Munnu saw two tiger cubs behind a bush. As he placed the pipe, the cubs start rolling over one another. What happened? As Munnu was playing with the pipe, what did the cubs do? The baby cubs, the tiger cubs were rolling over one another. They were rolling one over one another. He then noticed a rhino rolling in the mud. Then what did Munnu see? He saw a rhino rolling in the mud. He also saw a rhino rolling in the mud. Munnu goes on playing his pipe. Then Munnu he goes on playing his pipe. The rhino stares at him. Stares means to look at somebody for a long time is called stare. So the rhino stares at Munnu with wet eyes as if in pain. So what happened? The rhino was staring at Munnu with wet eyes as if it was in pain. Munnu comes back home. Now Munnu came back home. He asked his father Papa, all the birds and animals in the jungle were happy to hear me play the pipe. But why was the rhino so sad? So as soon as when Munnu reached home, Munnu told his father, Papa, all the animals and birds in the jungle were very happy to hear me playing the pipe. But why was this rhino so sad? Father says, Son, maybe the rhino is sad because the poachers come and kill them. Poachers means people who illegally come to hunt the animals, the hunters. So people who illegally comes to hunt the animals are called poachers. So father says the rhino must be sad because the poachers are coming. They must be coming and to kill the rhino. They take their horns away, and these poachers, what will they do? They will take the rhino's horns away. Why are horns important for animals? So Munnu is asking, why are these horns important for animals? Can't we save them? So Munnu is asking, can't we save this rhino? Can't we save these animals? Why not? If we desire means if we wish to save the animals, we can do. If we desire, we can do so. We must help animals when they are in trouble, father says. So what did Munnu's father say? When the animals are in trouble, we must help them. Next day, Munnu goes to the jungle, riding on the buffalo to see the rhino once again. So next day also Munnu goes to the jungle. He was riding on a buffalo to see the rhino. He went to the jungle for what did he go to the jungle? He went to the jungle to see the rhino once again. But she is not there. But the rhino was not there in the jungle. The rhino is trapped in a ditch. What happened to rhino? The rhino is trapped. Trapped means caught. Caught an animal is called trapped. The rhino is trapped in a ditch. Ditch means a long channel dug at the side of a road is called ditch. Her baby is standing close to her. You can see in the picture. Rhino is trapped in a ditch. And a baby is standing close to her. You can see in the picture. A baby is standing close to her. He rushes back home and tells his father. So what did Munnu do? He went back to his home and he told to his father, Papa, the rhino has fallen into a ditch. So what did he say? The rhino has fallen into a ditch. Please save her immediately anyhow. So Munnu is telling Papa, please save her immediately. Munnu's father calls some villagers and goes with them to the spot. So what did Munnu's father do? Munnu's father tried to save the rhino. What did Munnu's father do? He called some villagers and he goes with them to the spot. He went to the place where the rhino has fallen. Okay. Munnu's father called some villagers and goes with them to the spot. Spot means place. The rhino is lying in the ditch in a bad condition. So the rhino was in the ditch lying in a very bad condition. Some poachers have trapped her with the motive to kill her. So what did the hunters do? They have come to trap the rhino in order to kill her and take away her horn. What did the poachers try to do? They tried to take away rhino's horn. The villagers dig another trench. Trench means a long deep hole dug in the ground. It's called trench. The villagers dig another hole beside the ditch. What did the villagers do? They digged a hole. They made a hole beside the ditch. The trench serves as a passage. Passage means a long narrow area so that the rhino can come out. What did the trench do? The trench serves as a passage so that the rhino can come out from the ditch. The villagers lovingly stroke the baby rhino. What did the villagers do? They lovingly stroke. Stroke means to move one's hand gently. They gently stroke the baby rhino. The villagers move aside to allow the rhino to come out. What did the villagers do? You can see the villagers. What did the villagers do? The villagers move aside. They move from there to allow the rhino. They were trying to allow the rhino to come out of the ditch. But the rhino doesn't move. But the rhino could not move. Everyone is worried. Everybody was worried. Munnu starts playing his pipe. What did Munnu do? You can see in the picture. Munnu starts playing his pipe. The rhino stands up. When Munnu played the pipe, what happened? The rhino stood up and slowly comes out of the ditch. When Munnu started playing the pipe, the rhino slowly stands up and came out of the ditch. Ditch means the hole. Munnu goes on playing the pipe. Munnu continuously was playing the pipe. He goes on playing the pipe. Slowly the rhino disappears. So slowly the rhino disappears into the jungle. The rhino came out of the ditch and he disappears into the jungle. He went inside the jungle along with her baby. Now the rhino is outside the Outside the ditch, the rhino was saved. Okay, the rhino is now outside the ditch, and it went into the jungle along with her baby. Now, the moral of the story is, love animals, do not harm them. Okay, children, I have completed this lesson. You please read this lesson and please understand. Now, I will tell you some meanings. One word of this lesson: absorbed. So much interested in something or somebody that one doesn't pay attention to anything else is called absorbed. Basking. Basking means enjoying sitting in the heat or light of something, especially sun, is called basking. Delight. A feeling of great pleasure is called delight. Desire. Desire means wish something. Ditch. Ditch means a long channel dug at the side of a road or field is called ditch. Then hollow. Having a hole or empty space inside is called hollow. Melody. A piece of music or a song with a simple tune is called melody. Merrily. In a happy and cheerful way. Merrily. Passage. A long narrow area. Pipe. Pipe is a musical instrument in the shape of a tube played by blowing. Poachers. People who illegally hunt animals. Roams. Walks around an area without any definite aim or direction. Starves. Look at somebody or something for a long time. Stroke. Not stares. Look at somebody or something for a long time. Stroke. To move one's hand gently and slowly over an animal. Sturdy. Strong and not easily damaged. Trap. Caught an animal in a place and prevented it from escaping. Trench. A long deep hole dug in the ground. Trumpet. Trumpet means of elephant to make a loud noise. Okay, children, please go through this lesson. I hope you all understood the meaning of this, the summary of this lesson. Please share this with your friends and relatives, and please subscribe to my channel. Okay, children, we will meet in the next class. Until then, bye.